Welcome to Moko Loko TV. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about house cleaning items. Here we go. Broom. A long-handled brush used for sweeping floors. Mop. A tool with a handle and absorbent material, often a sponge or cloth, used for cleaning floors. Dustpan. A flat scoop with a short handle used for collecting dust and dirt swept from the floor. Duster. A tool used for dusting surfaces to remove loose particles. Vacuum cleaner. An electrical appliance that uses suction to remove dirt and debris from floors and carpets. Bucket. A container with a handle used for carrying and holding water or cleaning solutions. Sponges. Soft, porous materials used for scrubbing and cleaning surfaces. Scrub brush. A brush with stiff bristles used for scrubbing and removing tough stains. Cleaning cloths or rags. Pieces of fabric used for wiping and cleaning surfaces. Cleaning solution or cleaner. A liquid or chemical product used for cleaning. Trash bags. Plastic bags used for collecting and disposing of household waste. Gloves. Protective coverings for the hands, often made of rubber or latex, worn during cleaning to protect the skin. Bleach. A chemical disinfectant used for sanitizing and removing stains. Squeegee. A tool with a flat, rubber blade used for cleaning and drying smooth surfaces, such as windows. Toilet brush. A brush specifically designed for cleaning the inside of toilet bowls. Air freshener. A product that emits a pleasant fragrance to eliminate or mask odors. Laundry detergent. A cleaning agent used for washing clothes. Stain remover. A product used to eliminate or reduce stains on fabrics. Mildew cleaner. A cleaner designed to remove mildew and mold from surfaces. Baking soda. a versatile powder used for cleaning and deodorizing. Microfiber cloths. Soft, lint-free cloths that are effective for dusting and cleaning surfaces. Carpet cleaner. A solution or machine designed to clean carpets and remove stains. Dish soap. A detergent used for washing dishes and kitchen utensils. Feather duster. A duster with soft feathers for dusting delicate items and surfaces. Bucket and mop combo. A system where a mop is attached to a bucket for easy floor cleaning. Cleaning gloves. Protective gloves worn during cleaning to keep hands clean and safe. Trash can. A container for collecting and holding household waste. Paper towels. Disposable absorbent towels used for cleaning and drying. Window cleaner. A specialized cleaning solution for cleaning glass surfaces.
Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.